In our previous 3 videos, we never touched anything about the UI user interface. So today, we'll try to draw something on the board. Let's go to the entry point here to try something like pop-up window. So, oh, those are testing code. Let's remove it. For now, delete that. Let's make a constructor for this C class, CChess. So, yeah, Control D to delete, and we'll create a JFrame to represent the window which will pop up when we run it. So JFrame, Control Space. Okay, so automatically we have javax.swing.jframe. That's the library provided by Java. Give it a name, F for frame. That's not the best name, but anyway, frame. And we can use a version with like 1 parameter for its title. So we can say Chinese chess. With this JFrame object, we can, or instance, we can set its size, set the size, let's use 800 and 800. We can also set its initial location, set location XY, say 50 and 50. And we still need to set the visible to true to be able to see it. Okay, now we can simply create our new chess. So this will call the constructor here. Command S to save and run. Here we are. We have our JFrame window. Okay, now that's yeah, stop it, click here. Let's make our window smaller a little bit. Now to draw a line, we need a class, a subclass of JPanel. So let's create a new class here. New Java class. So CChess panel is a good name. So it extends JPanel, enter. Yeah, So one line is inserted for Java x.swing.jpang. This is another library class provided by Java. And we do need to override a method provided by JPanel. It's called paint component. P-A-I-N-T component. Yeah, this guy. Be careful, there's another one named paint components. It's not that one. So delete this one. Now we can add our drawing code here. Let's draw a line like that. Draw line from say 10, 30, whatever, 300, 200. And we still need to add this panel into our JPanel. So go to here. Let's create our JPanel here. It's CChess panel. So CChess panel. CChess panel equals new. Let's create an object of that. And we are add this panel into our JFrame object. So add this one. Okay, let's run it. Yes, it's there. Cool. Okay, stop it. Let's continue. So now we saw a single line there. We can draw a bunch of parallel lines and vertical lines. So to save some time, I'll just copy from my tutorial posted in Medium here. I'll put the link in the description of this video. I'll put the link there. So it's Java. The title is Java School Java Project Chinese Chess 4. Drawing game board on JPanel. So here is the final work. And we are here. This is the line we just drew. So I'll copy the code here. So we'll go to this board. No, we are here. So let's define some constant for the location and the size of our board. So we can do something like final static origin x equals anything. Oh, we can keep doing like origin y equals 83 again. Side means the side length of each cell of the grid. I missed the INT here. So now let's use this. Oh, let's create a method draw grid, and we need graphics G. Now we can have the drawing code. I copy from the tutorial and put it here and highlight it and Control Shift F automatically format it. Now let's remove this one and call our draw grid and pass in the G. This G is provided by the platform. Let's give it a try, run it. Yes, I have to drag this guy from the other window, another big screen I am using. So it pop-ups there. Cool. Now let's add those star short lines for those star places. And let me show you the stars. So it looks like yeah, there are many 1, 2, 3. So totally there are 14 star locations, but there are some half star here. You see, half star here. So to make the reusability to the minimum, right, we can define a method to draw half star. So to draw now for the whole star, we can call draw half star twice. That's the plan. Okay. So we have draw grid. Let's define another one here. Private VOID draw half star at graphics G at a location COL colon and row. Now let me copy the code to save some time. Oh, I missed another parameter to specify is the left half or right half. So there's only two options, so we can use a boolean for that. It's either left or right. So now with that, now we can have a draw whole star, draw star at graphics G, same thing, its location, but this time we don't need the boolean parameter. So how to draw a star? We can call draw half, right? Left half, then right half. Draw half star at G colon row left True, yes. And make a copy. Command Option down key, down arrow key. Okay, now false. So now we can draw whole star and half star based on our needs. So let's use a for loop, 2 for loops. To draw our stars. Let's give it a try. Very good. Now we can add a frame to make it look prettier. I just copy the code to save some time here. Wow, it's so long. Let's cut it here. Give it a try. Yes, gorgeous. You see? Cool. That's it for today. See you next time.